Hi, welcome to another tutorial on Smart Web Solutions. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get to be notified whenever there's a new video. Alright, so in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create an FTP account in cPanel. Now, basically, an FTP account is used for uploading and managing files on your website. It is automatically created in cPanel when you sign up for your hosting. And so by default, you already have an FTP account in your cPanel and you use your cPanel username and password to log into it. So you can create new FTP accounts to give access to other users without giving them your cPanel and billing login credentials. Okay? So for each additional FTP account created, you can also give each user different levels of access by assigning the user to a specific directory only. So we will take the next few steps and create a new FTP account in the cPanel. Okay, so the first step you want to take obviously is to log into the cPanel, which you already have logged in here. Now, when you log into the cPanel, you locate the Files section, which we have here. Now, under the Files section, you should have FTP accounts. So you click on FTP accounts. Now, when you click on FTP accounts, it takes you to a new window. Now, in this new window, you enter the necessary information in the required fields. Okay, so in the login field, which we have here, you type the name of the FTP user. Okay, so and in this case, we want to use new user. Okay, now normally you should have a drop down here where you have multiple domains, so you can select the domain you want to create the FTP account for. But in this case, we have just one domain here, and so you don't have that drop down here. So we've entered the user, and then to the next field where you have password. Okay, so you have the option of entering your own password, or you allow the system to generate a password for you, which usually I will advise that you take the option for the system to generate a password for you. So we'll take that option, and then you click on password generator. So you copy the password that has been generated, and then check the box that says I have copied this password in a safe place. Now it is expected that this password you copied should be saved somewhere, and then you click on use password. Okay, so the next field where you have says directory. All right, now this will be the folder that the FTP user can access, and cPanel will auto-populate an assumed directory based on the FTP username, but that is normally incorrect. So it is recommended that you provide the directory you would like the user to access. Okay. Now, if you want the user to access all the files in the account, you will erase everything in the field and leave it blank. Okay, now for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just leave it blank, and that means the user can actually access everything in the account. You then set the quota for the FTP account. Now, the quota is the maximum amount of bandwidth the FTP user may use. If you leave the quota as unlimited, the FTP user will have the ability to use the total amount of bandwidth for the cPanel account. Okay, so depending on what you want, and of course, the next thing to do is to click on Create FTP account. Okay, so the moment you do that, you will see a message saying account created. Now, you should now see the new account in the FTP account section, and you will be able to use it in FTP clients such as FileZilla and Core FTP to access existing files and upload new ones as well. So there you have it, the new FTP account we just created. Okay, so those are just the simple steps on how to create your FTP account in cPanel. So if you have any questions as regards this particular tutorial, please leave them in the comment section and be sure that you will get a response. Again, thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in another video.